Hey, welcome you guys for another episode of how to make teriyaki chicken sushi rolls. So today, after we cook teriyaki chicken, then we're gonna make teriyaki chicken sushi rolls today. So using the same method as the vegetarian sushi rolls, we have the cooked sushi rice mixed with seasoned vinegar. So you don't have seasoned vinegar, you can mix with salt and sugar as well, and then just lay thin layer over the nori seaweed here, which is placed on top of the sushi mat. Just keep working on putting the thin layer of sushi rice over the nori and work your way through. It takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it. If you haven't already, please click the like button and click the subscribe button below and the bell notification for future videos like this. It's gonna help me make more videos for you guys. Next up, we're gonna put the layer of avocado on top of the sushi rice here. So cut in thin slice, and if you need more slices, you just cut more avocado, the other half that we had before, and just cut through this and then take out . Then we're gonna place the sticks of teriyaki chicken that we marinated and cooked earlier. Please see the other video on how to cook the teriyaki chicken and the recipe. It's pretty easy and quick. let's just place a layer of spicy mayonnaise here. So it's sriracha mixed with regular mayo or the Japanese mayo, Kewpie. And then use your index finger to press firmly so it's really tight, so it's not loose. And then keep pressing on the sushi mat, and rolling it, and then pressing it again. Then cut into small sushi rolls so you can display on the dish. Now let's make another teriyaki chicken sushi roll, and you guys can see that we're gonna do the same technique, and for you to practice and also see how it's done. If you haven't already, please click the like button and click the subscribe button below and the bell notification for future videos like this. It's gonna help me make more videos for you guys. Thank you guys all for your support and see you on the next video.